Jeez.
Go, Rusty.
Yeah.
Did you go with right hand or left? Left?
I'd go right. My right hand's stronger.
One, two.
Nice.
Yeah, Russ.
Damn.
Get your feet up. All the way up. Yep. Nice.
That was amazing. I'm
That's the
so glad I
hardest-
made it in time to see
the
that.
hardest move on this one.
Higher. There you go. Now you got it.
Nice, Russ.
Good job. Did Jimmy already go?
Yeah.
That was a cool move.
So if you look
Pretty impressive.
right where his right foot is,
Uh huh.
below that, you can see the chalk on that piece.
Yep.
And if you